Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Confirm your PC meets Rift requirements and plug in USB 3.0 plus HDMI or DisplayPort. Once done, install the Oculus app and update your GPU drivers so performance is stable. Make sure to charge controllers and mark a clear play area about 2 meters square. This prevents accidents and improves tracking. As you connect the headset, allow Windows to install drivers and give the Oculus app permissions. These first steps let you move to pairing and calibration. You'll now place sensors and fine-tune tracking. Mount sensors at approximately eye level and angle each toward the middle of your play space. Keep them 1 to 2.5 meters from the center for robust coverage. Next, run the Oculus Guardian setup to define boundaries and perform the room-scale calibration so the system maps your area accurately. Pair the controllers in the app and check their LEDs and on-screen response. If tracking jitters, adjust sensor angles and remove reflective surfaces to improve stability. You finish by fitting the headset snugly and setting interpupillary distance for a sharp image. Use the dial or slider until text and edges are crisp. Then verify audio and microphone levels, launch a short demo app, and check comfort while moving inside your Guardian. If something fails, restart the Oculus app and PC first. Next, repair controllers and sensors and update firmware via the app. If visuals stutter, lower graphics settings or close background tasks. These steps complete setup and get you into VR quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.